Welcome to this week's vlog, everybody. So today, I'll go over Rev. We're gonna shoot a little script today. So I walk with the little mask them. You know? Yeah. So I walk with the mask them and thing. We shoot like it's a rock paper scissors thing, but it's more like when you play rock paper scissors. There's a big rock come over your head or a big scissors and all sort of madness. Whole heap of slackness. Just tune in and see what I go on. Cause we're out there now and we not stop. One and a half hour journey is almost to an end. Up on Akeem stretch right now. I want to go all the way up the road. Look, all the way up the Sawaga people. Right, this man have to live so far, man. But yeah, body at wait for me as usual. As I am a very impy. I don't like waiting on people, so I rather make people wait on me and then me show up on the scene. So right now, I'm about around the next 5-10 minutes walk. So just journey with me. I'll just take on the walk here. Onward to this nigga's place. Right, yes. Finally reach the Akeem place. I hope them dog not come jump up on me. I can't really bother with that today, you know. His mongrels. But I shout him for make sure him there. Although I'm supposed to there. Rev Ardo. I see the dog here jump. Don't jump up. See me? Right there. I control the dog, sir. Oh, jump up. I finally reach people. So everyone here, so.
Put that sure.
Oh, people. Him name Damo Focus. I take the one bag of sexy girl on the Instagram. I don't want to share none. Search for Aiden there. I'm going to freshen up and I want to go look good.
Why?
So that one you have the DP for the day, you know. So I'm going to start shooting on people. Everybody there. So I get ready for the first scene now. Everyone there, so it's been so long I've shot something for myself, so it's my time to get busy. My time to get the whole works out. So now, scene one, we're gonna chop some bush. Scene one. I don't look for me. But anyways, I get ready. See you, I get ready right so now lean up in another tree. Yeah. Be a man, this one. I'm gonna have a little snippet of the video in that vlog, yeah. So let's keep watching. So just finish the first set of scenes them. Acha. The struggle you go through when you're shooting at them place, yeah. But yeah. We just have a pan damo for reach so we can shoot theme scenes them now. I want to shoot theme scenes. Can head home and grab some dinner, not sure. And then just go in and edit this. Add it to the vlog so y'all can just enjoy this little small thing I do, nothing big, nothing major, just a little thing I do my bridging them. So let's look and see what go on as we journey along this long, dreadful path of cinematography.